Hi guys, let us show you the three ways you could make money in Nigeria in 2023, guys. The first one is mini retail and dropshipping within Nigeria. Okay, I'm going to explain this a bit more. Second one is mini importation, but doing it the way I'm telling you to do it, guys. And, most people have given false information about mini importation. Don't get discouraged, guys. It works and it makes money. Uh, the third one is five-hour drop service, which I actually love. I love this because you earn in dollars. Okay, you earn in foreign currency, right? You earn in dollars from this one. But I'll show you how to get it done. Now let's dive into mini retail and drop shipping within Nigeria, guys. Mini retail basically means you're selling in smaller quantities. Okay, so I'll tell you what I mean. When you come to this page, when you go to ads library, okay, go to ads library or Meta Ads Library or Facebook Ads Library. If you don't know how to find it, Google it. Okay, I'm going to put a link in the description as well, so you can be able to find it. All right, but when you go to Ads Library, okay, you can see these options, right? Choose the country that of course, Nigeria. Choose Nigeria, then click on all ads category. Then you use this search box to be able to search for whatever you want to find. So the keyword, if you want to find shoes, push shoe here is going to come up. Right, all shoes in Nigeria would come up. All shoes ads in Nigeria will come up. If you want to find bag, or if you want to find kitchen tools, whatever it is, or knife, whatever you want to find, guys, you if you put it here, the ad is going to come, and the ad would have the vendor, all right, the vendor in attached to it. For example, this is wholesale cosmetics, because I've searched wholesale. Right, you want to buy in smaller quantities, yes, and start selling, to customers online. Okay, using Instagram page, Facebook page. If you do not know how to use digital marketing, you don't know how to run Instagram ads or Facebook ads, let us know, guys. We can actually help you. We have a support group as well, in which we post tutorials there, advanced tutorials, so you can know how to do it. Anyways, but yeah, this is one way you can actually, find wholesalers of whatever product type you are looking for, right? Home products, fashion accessories products. As you can see, you could buy it in wholesale. Bags 3,000 upward, 2,000 naira, 1,500 naira. Like so, you can actually buy. You can actually buy. These items and start selling online, right? You can make money through Instagram and Facebook ads, guys. Or alternatively, you can sell through GG, right? You could sell your items through GG. It's free to open an account. It's free to list ads. You can actually sell through GG, as you can see, fashion, home furniture, appliances. Yeah, post your ads for free on GG. You could do that right now. So mini retail is basically, guys. Let me remind you again, is basically the selling of items in smaller quantities, or reselling of items in smaller quantities. Now, if you don't want to if you don't want to use vendors from the Meta Ads library, from the Facebook Ads library, okay, if you don't want to use vendors here or the wholesalers here, one thing you can also do is use Jumia, right? You could come Jumia, especially taking advantage of their discounts. All right, these are products that are heavily discounted. You could take advantage of them. Like, look at this lantern. Look at this, power bank. All these items are half priced. This is half price, so you could take advantage of them. This shirt, for example, is half price. You could sell this shirt for maybe 7,000 naira, 6,000 naira, right? But you're gonna buy from Jumia for 2,300. So you could take advantage of that, guys, of their deals, and that is how you make good amount of money, 18,000, so 8,000 naira. So that is one way you could do it. Now, when it comes to drop shipping within Nigeria, okay, guys, drop shipping is basically you selling products that you don't have in stock. All right. When you make a sale, you tell your supplier to deliver the product, to ship the product, or deliver the products to the customer. So you give them the customer address, right? That is it is as simple as that. So to find drop shipping, to find vendors offering drop shipping, one of the best ways to do it is like this, right? So just search drop shipping. Whatever you want to find, guys, you can find here. So you can search nationwide delivery also to see, vendors that deliver nationwide. Right, as you can see, you're gonna start seeing drop shipping, ultra culture. So the difference between dropshipping and wholesale is that wholesale you buy in multiple quantities, right? In mass quantities, maybe 20, 25 quantities. But dropshipping, you don't spend no money, right? You make money. When you make money, that's when you spend the money. For example, right? So when you receive an order from a customer, that is when you can use some of that money to pay your supplier and tell them, hey, ship it to the customer, give them the customer address. Okay, so that is exactly where this is one way to find dropshippers. We have a support group in which we help you. We post advanced tutorials and guides, and also show you the businesses that we are running as well. So you could understand that you are not alone, and whatever we are telling you to do, we are doing it ourselves as well. Okay, so that is all. Let's go to the next one, guys. Mini importation. So mini importation is the importation of items in smaller quantities. Okay, most people know about Alibaba. You could import items there from China to Nigeria. It takes some time. It takes about 4 to 5 weeks to get to you, but it gets to you if you use Alibaba. I'm going to make a video on the best way to use Alibaba to get your products in Nigeria and start selling. Alibaba is cheap. You could buy products in cheap, very, very cheap prices and get it into Nigeria and start reselling. That is the good thing about it. If you know what products to buy and sell, in our support group, we actually help you with that. We tell you products that are most likely doing well. Okay, useful and rare products, unique products. Okay. Anyways, this is Shein. Okay, you can mini import from Shein. Right, it's one of the fastest growing online retail company in the world. Okay, it has over 2 million products. Right, so from women to men to kids to home items, you could find all. All right, you could also mini importation. You could do mini importation business with Shein as well. Um, it takes about 3 weeks to get the items, and the good thing is that you can get free delivery. Okay, you can get free delivery after you spend a specific amount of money, so probably $120, I believe. You can get free delivery. So guys, this is if this is something that you're interested in, right? Go on Shein.com. I'll post the link below, and in description. Go on Shein and start finding products that you might like and order. Okay, order the products to Nigeria and resell, guys. Resell and sell online, guys. Through Instagram ads, Facebook ads. You could use GG as well. All right, so that is something you could do. Now, Fiverr job servicing is different. It's a gig service, right? So there are different kind of services here. It's almost like a freelance services: graphics design, digital marketing, writing and translation, animation and video. It goes all the way to this, and each of these category has their own subcategory. As you can see, data entry and data analytics. These are services that you can offer. Joining Fiverr is absolutely free, so you sign up as a seller. Now, what job servicing means is that you're not doing the work yourself. Okay, so if you don't have the skills, there's no need to worry. Maybe you cannot edit videos. No need to worry because you are not doing the work yourself. That is what job service model is. You are outsourcing it to someone that has the skills to do it, and you are doing everything on Fiverr. So the first thing you want to do is open two accounts. Okay, one account for one Fiverr account is your customer account or your consumer account. The other Fiverr account is your seller account. Okay, you want to separate both of them. All right, and then you want to come on Fiverr, whatever interests you. For example, you wanna search that, or you could go through the categories and click on whatever subcategory interests you. For example, I've gone with map design. I don't know what I'm selling yet. I don't know what to sell yet, but I've just gone with map design. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is find. So that's gonna go that way. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is find something that interests me, something I could look and say, okay, I like this, I want to offer this. And it could also be based on what is hot. Like for example, for this is hot, 165 reviews. It looks like it's hot. So what do I do? I could start reselling it. Okay, I could start reselling it. So what's this one? I like this one actually. a city map poster. So this is a custom city map wall poster. I like this. This looks nice because it's personalized, right? San Francisco, London, Paris, So people from, I'm pretty much sure you could do for Abuja as well, things like that, right? But people from whatever city people are residing in, they could want a map, like this, a map design like this for that city, and you could be able to give it to them. So as you can see, this person has 391 reviews. That means he's selling big, right? He's selling a lot. So you wanna use this guy as your you wanna use this guy as the person you would outsource to. So there are two ways to do this. You can actually go on Google and be able to find similar designs like this, so you can post it on Fiverr, or you could message the guy and order a few of his designs, so you can actually post it on your seller account, that and as a gig or as a service that you are offering. Okay, so you don't actually get the work done yourself. Okay, remember that you outsource it to people that can get it done. So when you receive an order from your seller account, you go to your customer account and you go to this guy and place the order. So if he's selling, if this guy is pricing it at $5, you could probably sell it as $15 from your seller account. The difference between both prices is your profit. That is how you can actually start this business and start earning in dollars. You can start this business within 2 days, guys. Within 2 days. All right. If you join our support group for advanced tutorials and guides on how to do this, so you can start earning in dollars, and we can actually help you with it. All right. So we are a digital marketing firm based in Nigeria. We help people grow businesses using digital marketing, so Instagram ads, Facebook ads, etc. Um, for our support group, which we do trainings, tutorials, and post guides, we have 3 days free trial. So you can try it. So you can join the group and try 3 days, and try the group for 3 days, okay, and see what we have there, and see if it is valuable to you. And if it is valuable to you, you can now, after your 3 days free trial, you can now decide to make payments to retain your access to the group. All right, it is, guys. It's 5,000 naira per month. It's 5,000 naira for 1 month access. It's 2,000 naira for 1 week access, guys. If it's something that interests you, join, guys. It's risk free. 3 days free trial. If you like it, you could pay 2,000 naira for 1 week access. You could pay 5,000 naira for 1 month access. Okay, it's as simple as that. If you have a business, you want us to help you build the business in terms of get you customers, bring you customers, we can do that. We have digital marketing skills, expert skills, that we can actually use to run and manage ads for you. Or if you have an ad already running, we can optimize the ads to bring you more customers or to be more effective. Okay, that is going to be all for this video, guys. If you found value in it, like the video, feel free to express yourself in our comment section. So comment, and also subscribe, guys, if you are new to the channel.